A healthy and vibrant skin is always the dream of everyone. Even men deep down wish to have a glowing skin. Amongst so many useful benefits or impacts of turmeric, this arguably the most powerful spice is known for brightening your skin. Turmeric is probably the most important spice in Indian dishes, and possibly the most powerful herb on the planet. It is reported that 1 ounce of turmeric gives you 26% of your daily requirement of manganese and 16% of your daily requirement of iron. The herb is also a wonderful source of fiber, potassium, vitamin B6, magnesium, and vitamin C. The following are some of the benefits of turmeric on your skin. Number 1. Turmeric has anti-inflammatory properties. Thanks to its anti-inflammatory and antibacterial benefits, turmeric can work wonders on condition-riddled skin. It can also help reduce redness from blemishes and calm skin conditions like eczema and rosacea. Number 2. Fight off acne. Turmeric is excellent for acne because it is a natural antiseptic and helps to keep bacteria from spreading. It's especially effective when combined with apple cider vinegar, which has astringent properties, meaning it plays the same role as your average toner. Number 3. Reduces dark circles. Since turmeric is a proven anti-inflammatory and lightening agent, it also stimulates circulation, which can help reduce puffiness and under-eye darkness caused by poor circulation. Number 4. Protect against sun damage and aging. Research shows that a moisturizing cream containing turmeric had the ability to improve the appearance of fine lines and brown spots caused by sun damage. It also helps prevent loss of skin elasticity due to long-term UV exposure. Number 5. Reduce appearance of stretch marks. Turmeric has the antioxidative power to penetrate and improve the function of the skin membrane cells, which will help prevent and treat stretch marks. I recommend making your own stretch mark healing paste with 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, and a squeeze 2 drops of lemon. Rub this mixture onto the affected areas twice a day. Number 6. Soothe dry skin. Turmeric can deeply hydrate and revitalize skin while alleviating symptoms of dryness. It naturally speeds up the process of removing dead skin cells to reveal healthy and soft skin, and protects the skin cells from further damage.